Imagine a world where sunrise is not hope, but a warning. A planet locked in orbit, forced to witness the slow death of its own star. Not for days, not for centuries, but forever. In its sky hangs a swollen cosmic giant, burning, expanding, collapsing, dying again and again in slow motion. This is not fiction. This is not imagination. This is the fate of worlds that orbit dying suns. And somewhere, in the vast darkness of our universe, such a planet already exists. Watching, waiting, enduring the death of light itself. Every star is alive. Not biologically, but physically. It breathes through fusion. Deep inside its core, hydrogen atoms collide, forming helium and releasing unimaginable energy. This energy pushes outward, fighting gravity which pulls inward. A perfect balance. But stars cannot live forever, because fuel runs out. And when fusion begins to fail, gravity starts winning. The core contracts, temperatures rise, and the outer layers begin to expand. The star swells, hundreds, sometimes thousands of times its original size. It becomes a red giant, a dying sun entering its final act. Now imagine a planet orbiting close to this star. For billions of years, it knew stability. Oceans may have existed, atmospheres may have formed, skies may have glowed blue. But death was coming. Slowly, silently, inevitably. As the star expanded, its heat intensified. Temperatures soared. Oceans began to boil. Clouds evaporated. Atmosphere stripped away by stellar winds. The sky turned crimson, not from sunset, but from a star filling half the horizon. From the planet's surface, the star no longer looked distant. It looked apocalyptic. A burning wall of plasma, churning, erupting, consuming the sky. Solar flares erupted, millions of kilometers long. Radiation storms bombarded the planet. Mountains cracked, surface minerals liquefied. Rivers of lava replaced oceans. Any form of life, if it ever existed, was erased. Not instantly, but slowly, painfully. Because stellar death is not an explosion. It is a prolonged execution. And this planet could do nothing but orbit, watching its sun become a monster. Eventually, the star reached instability. Its outer layers could no longer hold. In colossal waves, it began shedding itself. Gas, plasma, radiation, billions of tons cast into space. From afar, it would look beautiful. Glowing shells, expanding outward, cosmic colors painting the void. But from the planet's surface, it was terror. The sky filled with luminous storms, radiant clouds swallowing the stars beyond. Its sun was dissolving, piece by piece. And then, fusion stopped. Completely. No more hydrogen burning, no more outward pressure. Gravity crushed the core inward, compressing it to extreme density. What remained was not a star, but its corpse. A white dwarf, small, dim, but incredibly dense, about the size of a planet with the mass of a star. From the orbiting world, the sky changed forever. The giant burning sun was gone, replaced by a pale, stellar ember. But the story did not end, because gravity remained. The planet was still bound, still orbiting, still watching. Except now, its star was dead. No warmth, no light strong enough to nurture life. Only residual heat, slowly fading over billions of years. The sky, once burning red, became dim, ghostly, silent. A cosmic graveyard. If this planet became tidally locked, one side would face the stellar corpse forever. Imagine standing there, on frozen ground, looking up at a dead white star suspended in darkness. It would never rise, never set, never change. An eternal reminder of what once was. While the opposite side of the planet would face infinite night. Two hemispheres, one haunted by death, the other swallowed by oblivion. White dwarfs cool slowly. Extremely slowly. Over billions, even trillions of years. The planet would continue orbiting through cosmic eras. Galaxies would shift. Stars would be born and die. But this world would remain, bound to a fading corpse, watching its light dim further, century after century, epoch after epoch, until eventually, even the white dwarf would cool, becoming a black dwarf, a star with no light at all. One day, our sun will follow the same path. It too will expand, become a red giant, shed its layers, and collapse into a white dwarf. Earth may not survive the expansion, but if any planet does, it will witness the same fate. A sky where its star dies and never returns. Because in the universe, death is not always sudden. Sometimes it is slow, endless, and witnessed by worlds that can never look away.